fellow gamers. I'm back again. I'm doing this again. I'm doing the thing where I disappear for a long time and then randomly come back. But we're back again. We're back again. Life just happened. I'm sorry, but we're back, okay? GT-R's back. We're going back in time, and we're looking at the last event of last season. As you guys know, kind of got back into Autocross last since I moved to a new area. And we have a local Autocross association here called Operation Autocross. I believe their socials is on Facebook, but they utilize the local track here. Super cool. Unfortunately, this season 2026 is going to be the last season they're running it, so going to try to make the best of it. But the footage you're about to see, okay, it was pretty cool. It was the last event of the season, but the organizers that organized the local event, they lost a lot of the volunteers, so you guys going to see some discrepancies. But it is a great event. The last event was fun. But with that said, this event was actually a little different from a couple of the previous ones I've uploaded of the local Autocross events here. So half of the venue was utilized by us and the other half was utilized by the drift guys, which meant we actually got a slightly smaller lot than what we normally deal with. Actually ended up being a relatively complex layout, much more reminiscent of something like Gymkhana, if you guys have been following me since my Japan days, and this was very reminiscent to that. So I really enjoyed it. I know some of the regular guys that come out all the time were not a super big fan of the very extremely technical aspect of this course, and you guys will see that in the videos, but I personally really enjoyed it. But this day was extremely cold, and the top lot is at this venue is actually the parking lot for the dirt track. So there's actually a lot of like loose little like a little bit of like a small layer of mud in certain parts, or like some standing water on one of the transitions. So it actually took a little bit for the track to clean up before we had some actual fast runs. But the first run of the day was quite the a little bit of a learning experience, as it always is with Autocross.
Track's yours. Is this all-wheel or rear-wheel?
All-wheel.
Are you e-braking to get it to kick out the...
otherwise I won't really do anything. Yeah, not too bad.
Oh man, this blue's got a little metallic in it?
Yeah, and it's got pearl,
yeah,
so it changes color.
Pearl.
Yeah. I keep locking up my brakes going into the first hairpin or the first slalom, because you know, as soon as we hit the dip, I want to get on the brakes really hard, but my tires are not wet, and it just locks up that front right.
Well, you know, a lot of people, it's this hard balance of finding somebody that has a well-built car that can also drive it well.
Yeah.
That's to get those two together. Like, there'll be some people with really well-built cars that can't drive them to their. You're doing pretty good, it looks like.
Appreciate it.
As I mentioned earlier, we didn't have a lot of volunteers. The organizers actually lost a lot of the volunteers that used to work the course for us. So you'll notice as the runs progress, the course layout changes as people hit cones, and a lot of them don't get fixed appropriately. It's not a big deal as it's not for championship points or anything. It's not like a SCCA or a NASA event. Not a lot on the line other than just getting seat time. But it did alter people's times throughout the day because the layout would either be in favor or be against somebody as people move cones around and things don't get quite fixed.
Pick up any time you feel like it?
No, I totally messed that up.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, I totally messed it all up. Yeah, I think there's some place I could clean it up a little bit.
Gotcha. Back's yours.
The car is made in Japan. It's a Japanese car, and their cars are on the other side. Thank you. Ready, buddy?
Yep.
Now, as far as how I did in the event, I think overall I was the fastest car. Now, like I said, because these events that are hosted by this group are specifically emphasizing seat time and practice. They don't group you in these events. Everyone's against each other as far as times go. It's just one leaderboard. So it's not like SCCA where based off of modification, the type of car you have, you get put in a specific group. But like I said, because as the day went on and the course involuntarily changed throughout the day, there's no telling what the actual times would have been like. And with that said, that's pretty much it. I was also joined by another streamer friend of ours, Miss Nattiegeo. She's got a R32 GT-ST 4-door, and this was actually her first event. I actually rode in the passenger seat with her throughout the day. And if you guys want to see that video, I'm sure it will be coming up soon, so keep an eye out. Once it comes up, I'll leave it in the pinned comment, so check her out. Her stuff's cool. I'll leave a link in the description for her Twitch. She does a lot of VTube streaming stuff. You guys will like it. And then trying to get her out to more events as well. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys thought, what you guys would like to see in the future. And I'm also going to try to get back into the streaming. I got 2 channels. I got this channel. I got a B channel for regular gaming stuff, Hell Divers, Ready or Not, tacticool nonsense. We also get into space, all sorts of games. All the games you can think about will be over there, but we'll also be streaming on my Twitch and YouTube. So keep an eye out. But otherwise, that's all I have for you guys today. Love you. Bye-bye. Have a good one.